For the EDCI 270 course, I chose to use geometry for my theme over the duration of this semester. For this specific presentation, I'm going to go over the geometry academic standards each student, kindergarten through 6th grade, should know around the beginning of the school year. Standards are learning goals for what students should know and be able to do at each grade level. They are broken down into sections, and at a certain point in time during the school year, they should know and be able to do that certain section of standards. So the first standard for kindergarten is to be able to describe positions of objects and shapes using the terms listed. So for example, the circle is behind the duck, the triangle is above the snowman, and the rectangle is to the right of the basketball. The standards for first grade is to identify which shapes are 2D and which shapes are 3D. And for second grade, they need to differentiate between 2D and 3D shapes based on the number and shape of faces, and so on and so forth. The standards for third grade are they need to be able to identify different types of 3D shapes and their names. For fourth grade, they should be able to know what parallelograms, rhombuses, and trapezoids are, as well as being able to draw them using different tools. For fifth grade, they need to be able to identify the different types of triangles, as well as understand the relationship between diameter and radius for circles. They also need to be able to know how to draw each of these shapes. Sixth combines geometry and measurement, and they need to be able to convert from the English measuring system to metric system and use these to solve real-world problems. So I'd like to thank you for your time, and I hope this was helpful and informative.